Okay, this is for boot covers. This is for boot covers. Let me see if I can back up more so you can see. I have boot covers, but you can use plastic bags, okay? This is what I did in the beginning. These happen to come. I gave a lot of these away. I bought a huge bag full and I got another box full. It's one of the only things I could give away, that and some masks that I happen to have, and other ones, pretty much I didn't have enough. But anyway, I'm a Wuhan warrior. I'm in Wuhan, China. Please go to the website. We do have masks there on Shops Exchange for sale. We're going to try to get you some more items. Also, there's medical information about the virus, how-to tips, and I'm going to teach you things you can do at home that won't cost you anything, okay? I'm going to do my best. So basically, you can put a bag or this over. These are great. They have elastic, so they stay up. If you have to, use a rubber band, but if it's too tight, don't use it. It's better it drops down. But see, look, now my pants are kept clean. What I do, I've designated a pair of shoes that I'll throw away. I have these, I'll show you. Then what you do is do this. Now, isn't that great? Get the air out. Now you're ready to go outside and you're more protected. Now you're asking me, first of all, why don't I cover the shoe? If I'm in the hospital, the shoe's covered. I cover mine. But these are really cheap ones too. But again, this is a tip for you at home that you can do this and it'll help you. So, again, if you're going to be around the virus, designate one pair of slip-on, easy to get on and off shoes, or even sandals, anything. Anything that's easy to get on and off. Anything that's easy to get on and off. So what I do when I come home and take it off, fingers inside, clean to dirty. Clean to dirty, see? Now I can take my shoe off. I was teaching the workers when they came back. I gave them some of these and I was teaching them how to use them. But the idea now is clean to dirty, and now what you can do is, without touching your shoe, leave it outside of your house. And I don't have to touch it, see? I don't have to touch it. So whatever got on it outside, I just do this and, you know, pretend this is the ground. Oh, there it is. And it's on the ground. Clean to dirty. Now I have clean on the outside. If I want to, pick them up, move them, put them away. Get the idea? So these are things you can do to protect yourself. And again, washing your hands is key. See the hand washing video. Wash your hands twice. Use soap and water. Hand gel is not the most important thing to your life right now. Don't believe all the commercials. The most important thing to you is soap and water. Hand gel after I showed you how to do it. And keep it wet if you go outside. But this is a tip to keep your shoes and you cleaner and safer. Designate a pair of shoes, okay? And a couple more tips real quick. Remember, when you come in the house, immediately take a shower. Immediately take a shower. Even if you're not in a bad infected area, still do it. If there's any infection in your area, take a shower when you get in. Wash your hands twice. Do them very well and up the arm, even if it was not exposed. Take your clothes off, have designated areas. Take your clothes off, put them in a bin, and put them to be washed immediately. Detergent does help. I don't want to say it's going to always kill everything. You need to be vigilant. In my house, I have a bathroom designated for getting dressed and taking off and showering if I have to, if I was at the hospital. I have a bedroom that is dedicated to any products or things I bring in the house that I'm not sure of, and I let it sit for a few days. You don't have to be scared of mail. Mail takes a while to get to you. The virus should be dead. What you have to be scared about is, can it be on the mail? Yes. How it gets on there is, I'm delivering it to you and it's not coming from China. Do you get it? You don't have to be in fear, but you have to be vigilant. And the one thing I want to ask you right now is, everyone in this world that sees this video, I'm a Wuhan warrior, I'm in Wuhan, China. I forget how I'm doing these things. I'm doing them very quick and talking very fast. I apologize. I wish I made these more in the beginning and then you'd have better ones, but I'm not good at this. And people are helping me now to get these out. I want you to watch other videos. I want you to watch good videos. I want you to watch good information. And I want you to please stay quarantined, self-quarantine if you have to, if your country's not doing it. You need to stay safe. I lost my job. I have no money now. I'm scared, but I'm alive. Somebody told me once my life's worth something during all of this. A couple people did. And at the very beginning, the woman that told me that, it's the truth, my life's worth something. It's worth more than all the money because now I can work again and I can go out again. And we're safer in China right now. Doesn't mean it's perfect. It's going to take a long time to get rid of all this and make it better. So I'm begging you, stay in, do what your country asks you to do. Quit talking about freedom and quarantine like they're the same thing. They are not. Freedom has nothing. We have freedom. So we need to quarantine to keep our freedom. Because without our health, or if you kill someone else because of your stupidity to go to the bars and the whatever, especially in USA, Canada, and a lot of these other, even South Africa, you're killing people. And that blood's on your hands. And I hope the world will track you down and find out where the infections came from. Some countries are doing a lot about it now. If you go out, you will go to jail. They're doing their part. I did my part. This thing has an RNA. It's dangerous. You don't know how dangerous. And it's spreading like wildfire. This is unprecedented. We have 1918 and we have the Black Plague and all that, but they were indigenous to basic areas because we didn't travel like this. And we need to be very vigilant and careful right now. Bye.